How to download audio Google Translate. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download audio Google Translate, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your web browser. It could be any one of your choice, and then once your web browser is opened, in the search box just type out translate dot google dot com and click enter, and then you'll be taken to your Google Translate online. So once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to type out the language that you would like to translate. All right, or you can select the language that you'd like to translate it to first of all. So for me, I'll be translating a text now from English to Spanish. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing to do is to type out the text that you would like to translate. For me, I'm typing out thank you very much. Okay, and so this is it. This is the language. This is what I have translated. And then once you can see the translated text, the next thing to do is to copy it. And then after copying it, go back to your web browser and click on the plus icon to open a new tab. Then in the search box, type out the name of that site, which is soundoftext.com, and click enter. All right, and then you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, you can see the name of the page, which is Sound of Text. You can see other options by the right side, which is about, contribute, learn, and then you can see try yelling and all. And so the next thing to do is to paste the text that you've copied in here and select the language too. Or in my case, it is French, so just select the French language and then click on submit. All right, so after clicking on submit, you can see the French language here, and then the next thing to do is to click on download, and just like that, the audio file has been downloaded, as you can see. So to open it up, just click on it, and then you will see your downloaded audio translate. So that is it. Very cool, right? Yeah, so ensure you try this out and download every audio translate that you've done on your Google Translate. Thanks for watching and have a good day.